Nickelodeon, Shimmer and Shine. Meet Shimmer and Shine. Meet Shimmer. Meet Shine. They are twin genies. Shimmer and Shine live in a genie world. Shimmer hugs her pet monkey, Tala. Shine gets a lick from her tiger, Nala. Shimmer and Shine love their pets. Today, Shimmer and Shine get to grant wishes. First, they must make a genie bottle. They mix a ray of sunshine with sand from the beach. Shimmer adds a drop of water and a cloud. Shine tops the bottle with a star. The genie bottle is perfect! The magic mirror shows the genies a girl named Leah. Shimmer and Shine will grant her wishes. Leah and her friend Zach are at a carnival. They see a game they want to play. Leah tosses a ring. She wins a prize. Leah picks walkie-talkies for Zach. She is a good friend. The man in the booth lets Leah pick a second prize. Leah picks a genie bottle necklace. Inside a fun house, Leah's necklace begins to sparkle. Shimmer and Shine fly out of the bottle with their pets. The genies tell Leah they can grant her 3 wishes a day. Leah wants to tell Zach about the genies. Leah cannot tell anyone about the genies. If she does, she will lose them forever. Leah promises not to tell. She cannot wait to make wishes with Shimmer and Shine.